The great clock here also explores on intervals of a sixth that we just did on the past two songs. And you're going to hear us doing that sixth descending scale again. So I'll show you the whole song here. It's a very famous tune for a clock in Big Ben, located in England. So let's take a listen. Now over to high C. Here's my six going down. And moving my hand down to the low C. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Let's look at the right hand together. You're going to see there are these triangle signs right there on the music. If you don't know what that is, those are called accent. What that means is you want to play it extra loud so we can hear it. We want to emphasize it a little bit more. So from the beginning, we're going to make those notes loud. And then B and G, our first six. Quiet, loud. Move up to an E, a C, quietly. Move back down, E, quietly. Move back to E and C, very quietly. Lastly, let's go up to high C and E. There's our six. Hold that mole down. We don't want to move our hands in and out. Keep the position right there. Step down. G, F, E, D, 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 C. Here's left hand, and remember what I said. When we see the accent marks, we want those notes extra loud. So with the first note, very loud. Hold it down. Again. And then extra loud again. On the last line, we're going to move down to a low C and F. And this is the bell chiming.